Today I have a GMC Sierra, and I'm going to show you how to do the automatic start or remote start with this GMC Sierra. For instance, if it is cold outside and you want to start your engine ahead of time to warm it up, or if it's hot outside and you want to start it up to cool it down, I'm going to show you the automatic feature for you. You can do the remote start on the vehicle and get it cooling or the engine warming up sooner rather than later. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So let's get started. So I'm inside of my GMC Sierra. In order to do the remote start on the vehicle, you'll first have to get out of the vehicle with the fob key. The fob key is important. You need this in order to do the remote start. You cannot do it while sitting in the vehicle. There'll be no point. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle. And then once I'm out of the vehicle, I'm going to lock the vehicle. So I'm outside of the vehicle and I have the key fob in my hand right here. Now with the key fob, you'll look the key fob and you'll see there's some buttons, and there's this button right here that has an X2 in there. The X2 is indicative of the remote start, or the remote start. I'm going to first lock the vehicle, press the lock button, and then I will press the remote start button twice. You see this right here? This X with the circle going around it. I'll press it twice. Now watch what happens. I'll go to the front of the vehicle so you can see exactly what happens. All right, so I'm in the front of the vehicle, and I'm going to press it twice and hold it down the second time for about a couple of seconds. 1, 2. And I released it, and you'll see the lights lit up a little bit and the engine started. Okay, so that remote start. And now I'm going to get inside of the vehicle. I did the remote start, but inside of the vehicle, after doing the remote start, I cannot drive away the vehicle because even though it is remote start, I'm not able to drive away because the engine's not on. So I turn the engine on by simply putting my foot on the brake, just tapping the button like that. And it is now allowing me to drive. The engine was going, but it wouldn't allow me to drive until I pressed that button right there. And now everything lit up, and now I'm able to drive away after doing the remote start. Hope this vehicle has been helpful, or I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good night.